Good morning, dear teachers, gentlemen, and ladies. So many people are regularly complaining to our union saying that they have not received their salaries from the private colleges. They were paid only part salaries, they were being terminated, and for the next 2 months, they are not going to be paid salaries. And also, few people had complained that they are being harassed in the name of online classes. Continuous workloads are being imposed on them. So I would like to help you in this regard. After the death of our martyr Vasantha Vanan, the National Human Rights Commission had come up with an idea to help the teachers working in private schools and colleges all over India. In this regard, the National Human Rights Commission had included certain provisions in their online complaint system. When you go to the online complaint system of the NHRC, you can find options saying education institutions. When you go into that option, you have various other options. For example, certificate withholding, harassments, and again there is one more option in the same name, education institutions. So if you have salary issues, you go to the website, choose these two options and write your grievance in some 200 words with attach evidences and submit your complaint. Get the case number and mail the case number along with your submitted complaint to our email joinaipceu@gmail.com. In this manner, the Human Rights Commission will follow your complaint and our union will also follow your complaint, which is already complained to the commission. So this is the only body which had made online complaint system for the teachers. And as you are aware that other agencies, regulatory bodies, statutory bodies, they have done nothing in this regard. No university have online complaint system as far as I know. Not to mention about AICTE, you know well. So now our duty is to engage the Human Rights Commission with maximum number of complaints with proper evidences and make the public aware of what is really happening in the private education institutions. We don't have digitalization of salaries or student fees. We don't have digitalization of PF gratuities. Our certificates were withheld, and presently even after so many orders, still certificates are being withheld. And fake faculties, and about the faculty student ratio, still it is not brought back to the earlier ratio of 1:15. So all our issues will be sorted out only based on your participation. Now I could understand that you are on the brim, you are at the edge, of the cliff. There is nothing to lose. You are getting very minimum salaries with heavy work, and you don't have career future at all. And what is happening? The system is spoiling the education of the pupil. Students are no more getting quality education. When the teachers are ignored, students are also being ignored. The national education system is also affected. So it is hard time you participate. Right now, participate with all your heart. If you have any grievance, just complain in the National Human Rights Commission's web portal and send the copy to us. So again, I would like you to quote our new philosophy. Either credit the salary in our bank account, nor debit your vote bank account. Either the governments, the parties ruling the government should credit the salary to the teachers. Otherwise, we will contest in elections and debit their vote bank. This will happen. If united, we could live. If united, we could also rule. This is our philosophy, and thank you.